Hello, I am Rakesh and you are watching my channel. चलो सीखते हैं. Today we will take reflexive pronouns. When the subject and the object of a sentence are similar, we use reflexive pronouns. When the subject and the object are similar. For example, I finished the painting myself. This is subject and this is object. Who did finish the painting? I. So this object reflects the subject, or this reflexive pronoun, it reflects the subject. When the reflexive pronouns are singular, they end with self, and when they are plural, they end with self. Now let us see what are the corresponding reflexive pronoun for personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, this side reflexive pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I myself. We, ourselves. You singular, yourself. For plural, yourself. He, himself. Herself. Itself. Themself. Let us see more example. Example, I cooked the meal myself. They arranged the party themselves. They arranged the party themselves. Thus, reflexive pronoun. Thus, reflexive pronoun or object, and they reflects the subject. So the reflexive pronoun might be direct or indirect object. I cooked the meal. This is a direct object and this is indirect object. Now next pronoun is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns are also called intensive pronoun. Intensive. They emphasize the importance of noun or pronoun. Emphasize noun or pronoun. For example, you yourself should learn to do it. You yourself should learn to do it. This is emphatic pronoun. Second example, she agreed herself to help me. So, emphatic pronoun are identical to reflexive pronoun but differ in function. For example, here if you write she agreed to help me herself. Now this is a object and it reflects the subject. So here it is reflexive pronoun. Now next is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun refer a thing or person one at a time. Example, every, either, neither, each, etc. For example, each player was given a prize. Each player was given a prize. This is singular distributive pronoun, so it will take singular verb. So distributive pronouns are singular. It means they take singular verb and followed by singular noun. This is singular noun. Second, neither of them plays, singular verb. This is a distributive pronoun and this is a verb, singular verb. Neither of them plays well. Another example, you can drink. You can drink either tea or coffee. Either tea or coffee. And next pronoun, reciprocal pronoun. Next pronoun, Reciprocal pronouns are two in number, each other and one another. Each other and one another. For example, Maria and Jack gave each other. Maria and Jack gave each other gold ring. Gold rings on their wedding day. On their wedding day. Now see what are the difference between reciprocal pronoun and plural reflexive pronoun. Difference. Example 1. They are buying themselves a new mobile. They are buying themselves a new mobile. And second, they are buying each other a small gifts. They are buying themselves, this is the object and it reflects the subject. So this is reflexive pronoun, and here it is a reciprocal pronoun. Now here we end pronoun. Thank you.